To save space by changing video codec format on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app, tap the album where the video you like to resize its codec format is in. Tap the video. Next, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit screen. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select size and format. As you can see, under video codec section, the video codec is set to the most compatible. To save space, you can change the codec to save space. To do so, tap the current codec format and then select save space. Tap done button and then tap save to save the change and apply the selected codec format to your video. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.